Okay, let's go.
Hang on. I'm going to try not to hack, but I will.
I think we're already started.
All right.
Have a drink.
I know.
We're going anyway.
Did you put name that cough at the end of the last episode, by the way?
No, it was in the middle of it.
Oh, my God.
And at the end, was a special little throwback of Name That Bird.
Oh, my. I hate you. Why do you do that?
Anyway.
Why do we let him edit the podcast?
This, by the way.
Have at it.
Yeah,
Please.
exactly.
I have to do the other one. Maybe Dave could do something.
Well, what?
Yes, have at it.